Question number 11, page 473. Cos A upon small a plus cos B upon small b plus cos A upon small c is equal to a square plus b square plus c square upon twice ABC that we have to prove. Now this is cos A. So simply nothing to do. आपको पता है cos A की फॉर्मूला है, cos B की फॉर्मूला है, cos C की फॉर्मूला है. इसमें स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर c स्क्वायर आते हैं और वही प्रूव करना है. Nothing to do. हिंट दे रहा हूं आपको कैसे सॉल्व करना है. Right? So cos A is formula cos A is b square plus c square minus a square upon twice bc. Similarly, cos B is, you have to subtract b square, so another term are a square plus c square minus b square upon twice ac, and cos C is, you have to subtract c square, so a square plus b square minus c square upon twice ab, right? So these are the formulas. So applying this formula you will get your answer. Take LCM. Nothing to do. See how it possible now. Left hand side. So cos A is this, so I am writing directly b square plus c square minus a square whole upon, this is 2bc and we have to multiply by a, so this is 2abc, so this is 2 times abc plus cos B is this upon b and this is 2ac, so again 2abc, so this is a square plus c square minus b square upon 2abc, and this is a square plus b square minus c square upon, this is c and twice ab and this is c, so again twice abc. So twice abc is LCM, so this is b square plus c square minus a square plus a square plus c square minus b square plus a square plus b square minus c square whole upon twice abc, right? So this a square will be cut, this b square will be cut, and this square will be cut. So remaining is your answer a square plus b square plus c square, right? So this is a square plus b square plus c square upon twice abc. So this is your answer, that is your right hand side, and hence this is true, right? So question number 12, page 473, b square minus c square into cot A plus c square minus a square into cot B plus a square minus b square into cot C is equal to 0. In this type of question I discussed with you, मैंने आपको बोला भी है, डिस्कस भी किया है कि क्या करना है, एक टर्म का सिंप्लीफाई करो, सिंप्लीफाई फर्स्ट टर्म and then according to that write down another similarly. So we starting with this. So first here, first this is b square minus c square into cot A is equal to, so applying sine formula, small b is equal to k sine capital B, that you know, right? So I am not writing, you know, so this is k square sine square B minus c is k square sine square c, so this is k square sine square c, and cot A as it is. Now taking k square common, what we get? This is k square and we get sine square B minus sine square c into cot A. Now you have formula sine square A minus sine square B is sine A minus B into sine A plus B. So applying that formula, so this is k square, this is sine B plus C into sine B minus C into cot A, right? This is the formula is like this. This is sine square A minus sine square B. Then answer is sine A plus B into sine A minus B. This is the formula. Now B plus A is pi minus A, because for triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So this is k square into sine pi minus a into sine b minus c, and this is cot, means cos a upon sine a. Now sine pi minus theta, you know, right? That is sine a. So I'm writing directly sine a. So this is k square sine a into sine b minus c into cos a upon sine a. Now this sine a will be cut, and this is b minus c, so we require here b plus c. So what to do? A is equal to pi minus b plus c. Write this, because here this is a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So what is a? A is equal to pi minus into bracket b plus c. So this is k square into sine b minus c into cos, this is pi minus b plus c, cos pi minus b plus c, that you know, right? So this is cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So this is k square sine b minus c into cos b plus c, but this is minus, so I am writing minus here, so that's why I am skipping space here. Right? Now this is cos a sine b. So what we require? We require 2. So dividing and multiplying by 2. Dividing and multiplying by 2. What we get here? This is minus k square, and this is cos b plus c, cos b plus c into sine b minus c. So we require 2 divide by 2 multiply by 2, right? So 2 cos a sine b, 2 cos a sine b. So 2 cos a sine b is sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. This is the formula. Sine a plus b into sine a minus b. This is the formula. So what we get? This is minus k square by 2 sine a plus b. This is a, this is b. So sum of these two is b plus c plus b minus c, and minus sine b plus c minus b plus c. That is bb cancel, this is cc cancel. So what we get? Minus k square by 2. Minus k square by 2. This is sine 2b. So sine 2b minus this is sine 2c. So sine 2c. Reason number capital A. So if we have b square minus c square cot A, then answer is k square by 2 minus sine 2b minus sine 2c. So similarly, if we take c square minus a square into cot b, then answer will be minus k square by 2. This is constant. If b square minus c square, answer is sine 2b sine 2c. So c square minus a square means sine 2c sine twice a. So answer will be sine 2c minus sine twice a. Got it? If we have b square minus c square, answer of this capital letter sine 2b, this capital letter sine 2c. So c minus a, that is sine 2c. A means capital letter sine twice a. And the last one, and this one, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square cot capital C is equal to minus k square by 2, and answer is sine twice a minus sine twice b. So sine twice a minus sine twice b, right? So this is result number B and this is result number C. So adding these three results, that is our left hand side. So left hand side will be, now from all three results there is a minus k square by 2 common. So taking minus k square by 2 common and writing remaining term, that is sine 2b minus sine 2c plus sine 2c minus sine 2a and plus sine 2a minus sine 2b. So this sine 2b, sine 2b, sine 2a, sine 2a, sine 2c, sine 2c all will be cut. So answer will be 0. So this is minus k square by 2 into 0, that is 0. That is your right hand side and what you want to prove, right? तो ये आपके पास क्वेश्चन आ गया, राइट? सो सेम क्वेश्चन, ये क्वेश्चन आपको इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस, सपोज ये साइन ही नहीं दी गया, राइट? ओनली कॉस ही आपको दे दिया तो भी आप कर सकते हो, राइट? मगर थोड़ा चेंज आएगा क्योंकि यहाँ साइन एक कौन जो है वो कैंसिल हो जाता है, राइट? तो उसके अलावा आपको कॉस ही दे के भी दे सकते हैं, ओके? क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, पेज 473. This is b square minus c square upon a square into sine twice a plus c square minus a square upon b square into sine 2b plus a square minus b square upon c square into sine 2c is equal to 0. We have to prove. Same example as I discussed earlier example. Before that, before this, we did, right? Same example, same thing. You have to simplify similarly. So we are starting with this. So first, b square minus c square upon a square into sine twice a, right? There is given cot a, instead of that now given sine twice a, and here it is given also a square instead of a. So that is the change. So similarly, example, right? Never expect spoon feeding. Okay, so b is k sine b, so this is k square sine square b minus this is k square sine square c whole upon k square sine square a, and sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a, 2 sine a cos a, right? So taking k square common from this, what we get? K square will be cut, so remaining will be sine square b minus sine square c whole upon 1 sine a will be cut, so this is 2 cos a remaining here, and here this is only sine a. Now compare with previous question, same almost. Now sine square b minus sine square c, that is sine b plus c into sine b minus c. I am not writing formula, this is simple formula, whole upon sine a into this is 2 cos a. Sine b plus c is pi minus a, so this is sine pi minus a into sine b minus c upon sine a into 2 cos a into 2 cos a. So this is sine pi minus a. The reason for this is a plus b plus c is equal to pi, that you know. Now sine pi minus theta you know, right? How many times? 500, right? So this is sine a into sine b minus c whole upon sine a, and this is 2 cos a. This sine a will be cut. This is sine b minus c, so b must have b plus c. So what is a? Pi minus b plus c. Now we got it. B minus c, we want b plus c here. So your left hand side will, no left hand side. So this will be, I am writing 2 first, then sine b minus c. So sine b minus c, and then cos. and instead of a, I am writing pi minus b plus c, right? Because a plus b plus c is equal to pi, as we discussed. I am writing. Okay. Now cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta, so I am writing minus here. 2 sine b minus c. Answer of this is minus, so I am writing minus. Cos theta is b plus c, so cos b plus c. This is the largest angle, this is smallest angle, so I am keeping this again for first. So this is cos b plus c into sine b minus c. So rearranging the term only. Now this is 2 cos a sine b formula. 2 cos a sine b is sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. This is the formula. So this is minus as it is 2 cos a sine b. So a is this and this is b. So what is your answer? Sine a plus b, that is b plus c plus b minus c, minus sine a minus b, that is b plus c minus b plus c. b cancel, c cancel. What we get? I know. What we get? Sine 2b minus sine 2c. So answer will be minus sine 2b minus sine 2c. Answer will be minus sine 2b. Sine 2b minus sine 2c. If we have this. So similarly, c square minus a square upon b square into sine twice b is equal to minus. If we have b square minus c square, then answer is sine 2b minus sine 2c. Right? No need to see this anything. So answer of this is sine 2c minus sine 2a. So minus sine 2c minus sine twice a, and a square minus b square upon c square into sine 2c is equal to minus. Answer of this is sine 2a minus sine 2b. Right? So minus sine 2a minus sine 2b. So adding these three results from A, B and C. So your left hand side will be minus is common. So this plus this because we are taking minus common. So answer is sine 2b minus sine 2c, right? Plus sine 2c minus sine 2a plus sine 2a minus sine 2b. So plus sine 2b minus sine 2b, sine twice a minus sine twice a, and sine, sorry, okay, I am putting this 2 times, right? All are cancelled. So answer is minus 0, that is 0, that is right hand side, and hence this is 2, right? So this is the end of this properties of triangles from textbook, not from my side. Okay, first we are completing all textual examples, then we are going to do some extra MCQ, right? And that is the problem for you. Okay.